Problem number 1. If the points 1, 2 and 3, 4 were to be on the same side of the line 3x minus 5y plus a is equal to 0, then answer is, if the 2 points lies on the same side of the line, then we say that L11 by L22 is greater than 0. Then we say that the 2 points lies on the same side. So that implies L11 means the points substitute on the given line, that is 3 minus 5 into 2 plus a by 3 into 3 minus 5 into 4 plus a is greater than 0. That implies this is 3 minus 10 minus 7 plus a by 9 minus 20 minus 11 plus a is greater than 0. That implies a minus 7 into a minus 11 is greater than 0. That implies a is less than 7 and a is greater than 11, which is the required condition. Question number 2. A square of each side 2 lies above the x-axis and has one vertex at the origin. If one of the side passes through the origin, makes angle 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis, then sum of the x coordinates of vertices of a square is. That means a square of each side is 2 centimeters, so 2 units. So that's why we're taking the coordinate axis like this. Square means we take like this. This is a square. Length of each side of the square is 2 square units. So that is, this is 2 units. This is 2 units. This is also 2 units, 2 units and 2 units. One vertex at the origin. One of the vertex is origin. This is. And which makes an angle 30 degrees with the positive direction. So that's why it is a 30 degrees angle. Now we know that this is the diagonal of the diameter of the diagonal of the square. Now it is 45 degrees. Here we find that this is origin A, B, C are the vertices of a square. If we take a perpendicular D, we know that AD is y and OD is equal to x. From this right angled triangle, sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite side y by hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? This is a right angled triangle. Its opposite side is y, hypotenuse is 2. Sine 30 means 1 by 2 is equal to y by 2. So that implies y is equal to 1. And cos 30 degrees is equal to adjacent side x by 2. That implies root 3 by 2 is equal to x by 2. That implies x is equal to root 3. Now the vertices of A are root 3 comma 1. So this is root 3 comma 1. And this is the another vertex. C is the another vertex. Here also we are taking a perpendicular from C to the x-axis. That is, we take it as E. Now, this is 30 degrees. This is 45. This is 90. Angle between the adjacent sides is 90 degrees. 90 plus 30, 120. 120 means this is 60 degrees. Since complete angle is 180 degrees, 180 minus 90 plus 30, 120. that is 60 degrees. From this diagram also we know that this is y-axis, this is x-axis. From triangle OEC, sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse is 2. This is root 3 by 2 is equal to 2y by 2. That implies y is equal to root 3. And cos 60 degrees is equal to adjacent by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to x by 2. That implies x is equal to 1. But the point C lies on second coordinate. So therefore the coordinates of C are -1 comma root 3. This is -1 comma root 3. And we know that here x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0, here x is root 3, y is 1, here x is -1 and y is equal to root 3. And another vertex B, we required another vertex B, taking a perpendicular from B to the x-axis. This is taken as F. BF is equal to y and OF is equal to x. Here the triangle is angle is 45 plus 30, that is 75 degrees. So from triangle OFB, sine 75 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the opposite side, 2 units, and this is the one of the diagonal of a square. So that's why it is 2 and 2. It is a right angle triangle. So this is 2 root 2. So y by 2 root 2. This is an 75 means root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sine 45, that means sine 75 means sine 45 plus 30. Yes, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to y by 2 root 2. So that implies y is equal to root 3 plus 1. And cos 75 degrees is equal to x by 2 root 2. So that implies root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to x by 2 root 2. So that implies x is equal to root 3 minus 1. So here it is root 3 minus 1 comma root 3 plus 1 are the vertices. Now the sum of the vertices, sum of x coordinates of O, A, B and C is 0 plus root 3 plus minus 1, that is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2. That is the sum of the x coordinates of the vertices of a square.